Hey Bulls! While living on the USF Sarasota-Manatee campus, you may need to request maintenance services. We're here to help. If you encounter a maintenance issue, contact Housing or Residential Education to let us know about it. If it is not an emergency or routine maintenance issue, you can submit a work order online. These include issues regarding your furniture, appliances, community television, or any other non-urgent malfunctioning item. To submit a work order, visit our website and complete a maintenance request by navigating to the Maintenance Request page, which is located under the Resident Services page. Then, select the Submit a Maintenance Request button and log in to the maintenance portal with your USF email address. From there, select New in the upper left corner, then select the Sarasota campus and specify the location for the maintenance concern. Please select a work category and then give us a description of your request. You may include pictures if applicable. When you're done, hit Submit in the upper left corner. If you have an emergency maintenance request, call 941-359-4637 to report the problem during business hours. After 5 p.m. or on weekends, call your RLC or notify the service desk located on the first floor. Maintenance emergency circumstances include, but are not limited to, floodings, power or AC outages, or any other urgent concerns. And remember, call 911 if the emergency could be harmful to you or others. Housing Residential Education is here to support you by providing a safe and healthy living environment for the residents of Atala Hall. Thank you for choosing to live the Bulls life, and go Bulls!